How to remove saved password from Google account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove saved password from your Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically remove the saved password from your Google account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open the Google application here. So go ahead and then launch the Google app. Then tap on your Google profile photo from the top right and then go to the option called Manage Your Google Account. Once you go to manage your Google account, from this tab you want to simply navigate to security, and when you navigate to security, scroll down a bit further below until you'll find a section known as your saved passwords here. So you can see password manager that says you have 102 passwords saved in your Google account. So select that option here, and if you'd like to delete a certain, let's say, account or the password, then you can just go ahead and select that particular one and just go ahead and then enter the screen lock. And then once done, you can either tap the delete option here, or you can view the current password by tapping the I option. If you want to delete it, you can tap the delete option to delete that particular password, and then you can repeat the process for all of the other ones as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically remove saved passwords from Google account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.